Alright, so we got the new steering gearbox, remanufactured one. We'll give it a shot. Before we put it in the truck, we will take and put the pitman arm on. They're nice enough to clock it for us already. So with the steering wheel straight forward, this flat is facing up, and then our pitman arm will face backwards like that. It's also got grooves in it. You can see that. So you can do it 0, 90, 180, 270. Obviously we'll put it back like that. We'll throw the nut on, and then we'll start mounting it up. Alright, there we go. Pitman arm installed. Let's go throw it in the truck. So I just got the 3 bolts there. I'm just going to take them, once I get in position, throw, let's see here, throw one of the bolts through, start the threads on it so it supports it, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully, I'm just doing this by myself, so hopefully it just lines up with the steering shaft, and you know, everything just goes really good here. Alright, we just had to jack up the truck a little bit to loosen tension on the tie rods so that this can slide in there. Alright, so installing this thing, kind of realized maybe we have the wrong part, because the steering shaft here is pretty far off from the steering box. But we ground that all down and started punching out those rivets. Turns out this stem here actually extends out and retracts, so that's kind of cool. So I'll just kind of extend that out, line it up with the gearbox there, try and get you in a situation that you're not going to fall. Alright, let's see. Alright, you fell anyways. Alright, let's see. There we go. All aligned. Very nice. Alright, so learn from my mistakes. Step 1, line this steering stem up, get it together with the gearbox. Put the bolt through it so that's solid. And then come down here. Put your pitman arm and your tie rods. While the truck is jacked up, the wheels are free. And then just kind of, you can move your gearbox around and put in those bolts there. So step 1, steering stem. Step 2, pitman arm. Step 3, mounting bolts. Alright guys, so got it all hooked up. Check the lines, got the airbox back in. Lines aren't leaking. Make sure you put new O-rings on there. Good thing to do when you're installing a new steering gearbox is throw on a Mighty Vac, and it just sucks out all the air so you're not pumping air. This one took about 1/4 of power steering fluid. Hasn't been leaking at all, so that's good. One thing too is as you fill it up, you want to fill it up a little bit. It'll come up to the neck here, and you'll rotate your steering wheel all the way to one side and then all the way to the other side. Come in, fill it back up. Like I said, I did this until it took about a little over a quart. And then just kind of rotate it through a little bit. And then I hooked it up to this Mighty Vac. We'll just hold some pressure. I think they said hold it for 3 minutes. Just a little hand pump. You know, you can get these Mighty Vacs and the little adapter here from O'Reilly for, you know, probably 80 bucks together. Other than that, just check for leaks and you should be good to go.